Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna answer some questions you did in the other video, and until the end of this video I'm gonna announce new videos I'll be uploading with more details about these answers, okay? So let's start with the first question. Does this package allows to search by store shop names? No, you need to use another API for searching places. This API allows you to search for places, and you can find by text, by nearby places, by type of places, so we can do many things. I will also make a video about that, but I'll talk more about this until the end of this video, so stay with me. Next question, how to get step directions. So to get step directions, you need to use another package, that is Google View Directions. And this package here, it allows you to get step directions from the point 1 to the destination, and also many other things. So take a look on this package. This also will be another video that I will explain step by step how to do that. The next question is, how could I start a trip between origin and destination? For this one, you can use marker animated. So you can animate the marker from an origin to a destination. You can also customize the marker. You don't need to use the default one. So on screen, you can see the part of the code to make the marker animation from one point to another. And you can see that Android and iOS is different, but it's very easy to do. And using this and marker animated with animated region, you can animate the marker and do a trip between the origin and the destination. Next question, can you make another tutorial creating a device with React Native on Google Maps? Yes, I will do that, and as I said, I will explain better until the end of this video. Next question is, how we move marker on Google Maps when we click on start button. I assume start button is something on screen, right? So it will be the same thing explaining about how to make a trip between origin and destination, and it will start when you click the button, but it's the same thing. The next question is there a way to better arrange the code? Are you saying my code is bad? I'm kidding. Yes, of course. As it was just a tutorial, I was not concerned about implement a very good code, but of course it can be arranged better, and I'll make a video how I would implement that in a professional project. And many people said I encountered invariant violation required native component error map. Well, I was able to reproduce that error, and after update all the packages in the project, I did not see that error anymore. So I assume the error is just old packages in the code I did. Just update it and it should go away. But just a small tip, in the original code I was using native driver to true, and what it means. The native driver basically says to React Native to ask the native platform to perform the animation. So in theory it should be much more smooth. But for some reason the current version of this library it's not working. So just set this to false and it will work. So here's some answers you guys did in the other video, and I'll be uploading more videos with more details about each question, like how to search stores, how to get step directions, how to start a trip between origin and destination, how to track devices, and many other videos. And the first video about searching stores you can find here in the card or here below in the description. Subscribe to this channel to don't lose anything. Click the like button because it helps a lot. Thanks for watching and see you on next video.